Okay, so you think of a word and draw the picture. Just a word. There's billions of words out there. You just gotta choose one.
Okay.
Let me see it. That's the picture. All right. Okay. Give me 30 seconds, I guess. Or a minute to guess what the heck I'm looking at right here. I'm gonna go. Well, the only thing I could see is a potato. It's not a potato. The, um, shoe? It's one word, right? Is it, what is it?
Watermelon.
That's a watermelon?
That's a watermelon.
That's a
Round,
watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon comes like that.
What in the world? That's a watermelon.
Yeah.
All right. Think of another word and try to draw a little bit better, okay? Maybe do the stripes on a watermelon next time, you know. But go ahead, think of another word. Um, this is like something you would see in a psychiatrist's office here. I am completely... a twister. Well, it looks like a disformed bear dancing, really.
It's something you eat.
I wouldn't eat anything looking like
That's
I can
grapes.
tell you that. That's grapes. That's grapes.
Look at them. They're grapes.
I would be eating those grapes.
That's
I would not.
grapes.
I would not